So today we'll be looking at how to set up to-dos or different reminders for events within the Yaara platform. We can access the to-do tab from the all events tab or the individual event tabs themselves. So let's get started here. Let's go to the all events tab and then click on to-do. Okay, so right here, we already see some of our existing to-dos that we've created in a previous version. So let's try to create a new task. So we'll press the Add Task button on the right, and it'll pop up with a window where we can enter some of the things that we need to have with that task itself. So here we'll input the task name, which events we want this task to be tagged by, and we can tag it for multiple different events. We can have a due date as well as the owner, so who's responsible for completing that task. And then finally have a status, so is it not started, pending, or completed. Once we have all that filled out, we can click Add Task, and it should add it to the To-Do task interface. It's important to note here that the tasks within the To-Do interface are going to be sorted by date. Now, just as a sanity check, since we added the reception field to that task, let's go to Reception Events, click on To-Dos, and see if that task that we just created there popped up within the list. And perfect. Looks like it showed up. The Pay Decorator task is right here within the reception interface. Now, if you also like the calendar view, you can click on Master Calendar in the sidebar tab, and the Pay Decorator to-do item will be listed there with the respective date. So July 23rd, and the Pay Decorator item is right there. Now let's go to a different event and create a new task. So we'll go to the Welcome Dinner event, click on To Do, and then add a task. And then let's create a task called Finalize Menu, specifically for the Welcome Dinner event. We'll pick a due date here as well as who the owner is. We'll just have everyone be the owner. And then we'll say that the event is still pending. And voila, your to-do or your task is ready to go so that you can track it super easily. So this concludes our quick tutorial on how to create to-dos within the Yaara interface.